This capsule is guaranteed to increase your height. Even if you are between the ages of 18 to 27, your height can still increase. This goes into your body and stimulates the growth plate, reduces the estrogen level, which keeps your growth plate open for a longer time, and enhances the production of growth hormone. As a result, the halted growth in our bodies starts increasing again. You just need to take one capsule half an hour before going to sleep and follow this diet plan to get the full benefit. First thing in the morning, drink a glass of warm lemon water. Then, visit the toilet for a bowel movement, and after that, don't eat anything for an hour and a half, during which time you should do at least half an hour of yoga. Then, consume 300 milliliters of yogurt with no more than 10 grams of sugar. Along with that, consume 10 almonds, 8 cashews, 8 pistachios, and 4 walnuts soaked overnight. After an hour, stretch for 15 minutes or do a brisk run on the ground. Then after half an hour, drink 300 milliliters of almond or cashew milk coffee with 10 grams of pea protein added. Then, after 2 hours, you can have 50 grams of mushrooms or chickpea curry with roti made from chickpea flour. 2 hours later, have a 50-gram oats or chickpea flour pancake with your choice of vegetables. Then, after 2 hours, have 300 milliliters of almond or cashew milk tea or coffee with 10 grams of pea protein added, and with it, you can have a mixture of roasted peanuts, flax seeds, and foxnuts weighing 50 grams. And 2 hours later, eat 50 grams of sprouted green gram dal. Then, after 2 hours, drink 300 milliliters of water with half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, warmed up. After half an hour, do 10 minutes of skipping and 15 minutes of stretching. Then, half an hour before going to sleep, take one capsule of Growth DNA. Growth DNA contains the world's best herbs, grown in the most optimum temperature and soil conditions, brought to you by our team of technical experts from around the world. Proudly 100% Ayurvedic, Growth DNA stands out not only for its efficacy, but its commitment to safety, boasting a formulation free of any adverse effects. If you have any questions about this diet or medicine, you can call us without hesitation at 966 740 4666.